Hello everyone, today we are going to make a project motor driver using 555 Timer IC. The components required for this project are one breadboard, one 10 kΩ potentiometer, two IC555, one DC motor, one fan, some connecting wires, one 9V battery and a battery snapper. First of all, take IC555, keep the notch point on the left side and place both the IC555 on the breadboard. Now connect pin number 4 and 8 of both the ICs together. Similarly, connect pin number 2 and 6 of both the ICs together. Now connect the pin number 1 of both the ICs to the negative rail of the breadboard. Connect pin number 8 of both the IC to the positive rail of the breadboard. Connect pin number 3 of first IC to pin number 2 of the second IC. Now take a 10 kΩ potentiometer and place it on the breadboard. Connect terminal 1 of potentiometer to positive rail of the breadboard. Connect terminal 2 of the potentiometer to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now connect the wiper terminal, that is middle terminal, to pin number 2 of the first IC. Now take a DC motor, connect its one terminal to pin number 3 of first IC and second terminal to pin number 3 of the second IC. Attach a fan. Now take a 9V battery, connect a positive terminal of battery to the positive line of breadboard and negative terminal of battery to the negative line of the breadboard. Take the motor in your hand before connecting the negative line of breadboard so that when the motor will start spinning, the fan will not get damaged. So as you can see, the motor started spinning. It's spinning in anti-clockwise direction. Now when we change the knob of the potentiometer, you can see the direction of the motor just got changed. Let's rotate it again. So this is how a motor driver using 555 Timer IC project is going to work. Thank you.